And so in other words, it's reverse engineering, right? So in order to get that extra savings, this is what I could do. I could pay off credit card debt. I can give you a payment deferral plus an escrow balance refund, right? And that's stack one. So this is how you understand value stack, right? Before you pitch anybody, make it a ritual first that number one is you have to understand their why, right? So this particular prospect's profile, their why is to lower their total debt load, and because they want to create savings. The reason why they want to lower their mortgage is so they can create breathing room here to put that in other debt or redirect the money. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
And so for face value, our prospects will always say, I need your lowest rate. Because what they're saying is, I need your lowest payment.
Yeah.
Right? And so their why is because what they plan to do with that difference, that differential, right? So what are they doing with that difference? That's their why.
Yeah.
Does that make sense? Now, what we do, we put our creative hat and then we create what's called value stacking. And so in other words, it's reverse engineering, right? So in order to get that extra savings, this is what I could do. I could pay off credit card debt. I can give you a payment deferral plus an escrow balance refund, right? And that's stack one. And then what will happen is with that extra surge of cash, you could put inside the bank, and with the debts paid off, your FICO score will improve. That's another stack.
Yeah.
With a better FICO and higher equity in 6 months, I can show you how to improve your term tremendously. That's another stack.
Got it.
Right? So we start off with $600 in savings, but I'm going to grow this thing to over $1,000 if we go this route. Another stack. With an extra $1,000, now you're able to hold at least a year's worth of living in your bank account at any given time, not under 1 month of living. That's another stack.
Yeah.
With that much in your bank account and so much cash flow, you'll never have to rely on credit cards again. That's another stack. Get it?
Yeah.
And because you don't have any credit card debt, guess whose FICO score is at its highest? Another stack. And you know as much as I do, if you got great credit, you don't have to ask for terms. You demand them. Another stack.
Yeah.
Get it?
Got it. Yeah.
And then you circle it back and say, what are your thoughts on that? What do you think they're going to say?
Yeah, it's a no-brainer.
Oh, it's a no-brainer, right?